I'm a participant of Whitefield Foundation recent training. So I'm here to show you how to make shawarma. First and foremost, let me wash my hands to maintain cleanliness in the course of my processing or producing this shawarma. So I wash my hands. After washing my hands, these are the ingredients: the carrot, the cabbage, cucumber, and my chicken, which I've already deboned, and also this is my tomato ketchup. So this is the shawarma bread which I got from the supermarkets. I've already preheated it on my oven. I'm using my pot as the oven because I don't have an electric oven. So I've preheated it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place it this way, then put my ingredient inside. So first of all, I will start with the carrots. I'll put small layer of carrot, followed by a small layer of cabbage. Then my meat, the chicken which I've deboned. I add some quantity. Then I put my tomato ketchup. And I go again with a little bit of carrots and a little bit of cabbage and my meat, and then I put my cucumber to spice it up. Then I roll together. This is it. My oven is already hot. I've heated it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back to the oven to make it hot a bit so that it can get ready. I put it in the oven. So the business is lucrative because we have few vendors. Even within my area, there are no vendors at all. Also, the raw materials are accessible. They are locally sourced, like this carrot, cabbage, and all other things. I just got them from a close by market, and they are very cheap. Everything here is less than 5,000 naira. So it's very cheap, and the profit margin is high. Imagine one of these, after preparing it is 1,400. It's ready. So that's the one, and it's ready. So this is our shawarma. The shawarma is ready. I'll just put it in the plate, then cut with my knife. I've already prepared, this is the shawarma. I've already prepared chapman, and this is how I want the business to be. Serving my customer a plate of shawarma with a cup of chapman. So the business is lucrative, profitable, and very easy to start up. Just a little capital to start up. I thank you for this opportunity, and I hope to get this grant to start up this business and make huge profit and even employ other people. Thank you, and God bless you.